Story time. Hypothetical Stan sits at his laptop, cursor blinking on a blank document. He's been, in quotes, working on his novel for 8 months. That work? Researching plot structures, organizing character sheets, reading about the publishing industry. He tells himself he's making progress, but he hasn't written a single scene. Stan isn't lazy. He's caught in something worse than laziness. Worse even than giving up. What could be worse than throwing in the towel on a cherished dream? He's procrastinating. And if you're honest with yourself, you probably recognize this pattern in your own life. I know I recognize it in mine. This is a big problem, and not just for the obvious reason. Hey there, it's me, Core, and you're listening to Exercising Self-Control from Fitness to Flourishing. Here's what you need to realize about procrastination. It isn't just delaying action. It's lying to yourself. That is far more destructive than quitting outright on a goal. When you quit something, you face reality head on. You acknowledge the gap between your intentions and your commitment. It stings, but it's honest. You can move on, redirecting your energy to other goals and other commitments. But when you procrastinate, you maintain the illusion of progress while avoiding the actual work. You're choosing to fail while pretending you're still trying. This self-deception keeps you stuck in limbo, burning mental energy on guilt and false hope instead of either taking action or moving on. The hidden cost? Procrastination doesn't just postpone the achievement of your goals. It erodes your trust in yourself. Every broken promise to start tomorrow weakens your confidence in your own word. The cure for procrastination isn't better time management or motivational tricks. It's radical honesty about what you actually want. Every time you catch yourself procrastinating, restrict yourself to 2 choices. This is the binary choice framework. Choice 1, do it now. Take immediate action. Choice 2, quit completely. Abandon the goal entirely. There is no third option. I'll do it later is just more of the same. Don't let yourself avoid reality. It's now or never. This binary choice forces you to confront the truth. Either this goal matters enough to act on right now, or it doesn't matter enough to keep taking up space in your thinking. Here's how to apply this framework when procrastination strikes. Step 1, catch yourself in the act. The moment you notice creative avoidance or delay tactics, stop and acknowledge. I'm procrastinating right now. Step 2, ask the critical question. What's the next smallest possible action I could take on this right this moment? Not tomorrow, not when you feel ready, right now. For Hypothetical Stan, this might be open a new document and write 1 sentence of dialogue. Step 3, apply the binary choice. If it's option 1, do the small action immediately. If it's option 2, admit you don't actually want this goal and remove it from your life. Step 4, honor your choice. If you choose action, do it before moving on to anything else. If you choose to quit, quit fully. For example, delete the files, cancel the commitments, stop the mental rehearsals. Here are examples in practice. Procrastinating on exercise, next action, put on workout clothes. Binary choice, do it now, or admit you don't want to get fit and stop feeling guilty about it. Avoiding a difficult conversation, next action, send a text message asking when they're free to talk. Binary choice, Send it now or accept the relationship as is. Keep putting off starting that online course. Next action, watch 10 minutes of the first lesson. Binary choice, start now or remove it from your someday I'll list. Keep this binary choice framework simple. The moment you start adding conditions, like I'll do it after I finish this email, or timeline extensions, I'll definitely start on Monday, you are back to procrastinating. The power of the framework lives in the immediacy and the honesty of the choice. This approach aligns with ancient Stoic wisdom. I've gone into this in great detail in several of my episodes. We have the power of choice, and everything else, that is, the outcomes of our choices, other people's reactions, external circumstances, all lie outside our control. Your choice in each moment of potential procrastination is the one thing that truly belongs to you. Nothing outside your own decision can stop you from being the person who acts on their commitments or the person who honestly acknowledges their limits. When you embrace this binary framework, you reclaim your power from the illusion of, I'll get it done someday, somehow, and ground it in the reality of, here is what I'm doing right now. If you believe quitting is the best option, likely you'll have one of the following popping into your consciousness. But I've already invested so much time, money, or effort. The sunk cost fallacy keeps you procrastinating on goals that no longer serve you. Past investment doesn't justify future misery. Your time going forward is what matters. Or, people will judge me if I quit. Others' opinions are outside your control. What's inside your control is choosing to be consistent with your highest values. Most people respect honest acknowledgement of changed priorities over endless false starts. Or, what if I regret quitting? You can always choose to restart something you've genuinely quit. But you can't reclaim the mental energy you waste on indefinite procrastination. If quitting ends up being a legitimate mistake, you can change your mind. But if you don't, in quotes, commit to the quit fully, you're just continuing to lie to yourself. You probably have something you've been putting off, something that's been cycling through your I should do this mental playlist, creating low-level stress and eroding your self-trust. What is it? Now ask yourself, what's the next smallest possible action I could take on this right now? You have two choices, only two. Choose wisely, choose honestly, and choose right now. That's it for today. Catch you next time.